piece of rubber.
So we're up on a job in Parma, Ohio, and when we came out originally to take a look at this roof, this thing was under a few inches of water pretty much across the entire roof. The owner didn't want to spend the money for a full tapered insulation system on this thing. So what we proposed was doing a sump that is 16 feet wide around the drain. And the sump is the sloped insulation or tapered insulation system around each drain to help mitigate the amount of water on the roof. We're up here today and it had just rained this morning and it's rained a bunch this week, and we have almost no water up on this roof. This is night and day difference from what we were before we started this project. And this is an 075 Versico mechanically attached EPDM rubber roof with a 20-year warranty. So we are just blown away with how well the water's draining off this roof now, and the owner is ecstatic about it. So on this project, our taper starts really all the way back here, and we're going out 16 feet all the way around this drain to try and drain this water in. And in doing so, we have eliminated almost all the water. Again, it was just raining here a little while ago, and most of the water is draining off perfectly. All right, on this project, it's an apartment complex, and the owner wanted to conserve money. So in this system, we just have a termination bar with a caulk lip and a caulk seal on the top. This is only a 20-year system. So on a 20-year warranty system, this is acceptable for the manufacturers. This is a manufacturer NDL warranty. If we go to a 30-year warranty on a system, we then have to put a cover strip over the termination bar of metal. So it's a counter flashing, or we'd have to do a full coping that would come over top of the parapet wall. It's a better system if we do a full coping system, but it obviously costs more money. And in this case, the owner said a 20-year warranty was good enough for what they were looking for.